Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's video, survival special. And guys, it's another beautiful day which God have granted us. Anyway guys, thank you so much for clicking my video. So in case you're new here guys, subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So on today's videos guys, I'm heading home. There's a lot of activity that I want to do here and there. And right now guys, I'm just coming live and clear from Isbania Primary School. Within here there's an institution right there, you know. So alright guys, so let me know on the comment section what you think about on today's videos. But for me, I thank God for the gift of life, and I thank God for everything. So I left my bike on the other side right there, so I don't want to go far away, and I left my bike maybe some distance. So it was my very first time to come here alone. So probably if you're watching David Junior's videos, we just come here, passing, going to other side. Between there is a river, and then we got stuck, and then we push the bike, we push, man. So I decided, no, you know what, I don't want to go on the other side. Maybe I'll use this route. I'll see. I don't know whether it's heading to people's home. I don't know, but I'll make a good research. So wow guys, please guys, subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, comment, share. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So let me take you around as we go, you know. Although today guys, like no more lights for the sun, you know. We normally use natural sun, sun, especially lights. So let's go. And I hope today my engineer will arrived today to continue putting calabat on my borehole. So on today's videos, it's day 2, you know, since they left. I think this week on Wednesday they have been around here, so probably it's because of time here and there, and then to give enough time the calabat to be more concrete. So I don't want to push them, like do quick and fast. I give them time, and also their engineer. So let me go guys. The only thing that I'm missing at home there in terms of materials, it's cement and waterproof. So I'll go and ask them, because I brought, I think previous day guys, I bought around 10 bags of cement. So they use 5, and then the remaining 5. So I'll ask them if maybe that 5 they can finish the work for today, as we see the next progress. So I'll get the full information from the engineer guys. Something entered to my eyes, you know. So at the same time, I'll buy the waterproof. I think that one is the only things that are missing to my site, you know. I need to get water, man. I need to get water. So there's some, look guys, water is running there, raining, and then it stopped here because it's something deep. So I think I'll push my bike to other side to show you that river. So we normally came here with David Jr. going to Border Town, passing here, and stuck down here, because at the same time there is another road on the upper side we use going to Nyabohanse, also going to Border Town, going to Tanzania, you know. It has so many directions. So let's go guys and see, because maybe when I'm around here telling you there is a river down here, and then maybe other people didn't believe. So I want to show you that river down here. I had the motorbike coming. Maybe it's going, there is another also road going to Border Town on the other side. That is Banya School guys. I hope you see them. You see that school clear guys. You see, wow, that's a school. Now maybe it's built during 19th century, because I heard Subania, you know, up to nowadays it exists. Wow. So guys, this is my baby. It's taking me around, bring my son back to my home, you know, going to Border Town, you know. It's helping me a lot. at least, guys, when I have my bike like this, it's helped me to maneuver around, you know. And I take care of this bike, man, because it's helped me a lot and a lot. So probably, who knows, guys, maybe in future, if I'm so blessed, I'll have my own car, and then this one also I give somebody to ride and then bring cash to me, you know. But it's slowly, pole, you know. Pole means, guys, slowly, you know. So, guys, I see this road is not good on the other side, so I'll go with my bike carefully, and then I'll show you that river down here. Maybe it's known as Hispania River, and also I think it's connect. I will use this term, Guitacho, on other side, and then River YouTube. You know, imagine from border town, it collect, meet here, going to Guitacho, which is our local language. It means step. Guitacho. When I do like this, and I left the mark, that means Guitacho, means step on other side, and then connect River YouTube. So guys, be ready, I want to take you there. Guys, I left my bike right here. So this is the river which we normally come here with David Jr. And then I think nowadays there's no a lot of water. You can see going to other side, we stuck within here, and also right there between here where water is running, and then on the other side you can see, guys, also people like step on these stones and then jump to other side. Wow, it's running, man, a lot, and especially, guys, I see the sand here. So on the other side, I think, guys, if I get $200, I'll buy more sand, because right here I see a lot of trip of the tippers. So especially I'll talk with my guy because I need river sand, you know. So, and then I'll tell him he'll stop that mistake, guys, because he bring the sand for the road, especially during it was a sunny day. But right now, guys, we found sand here, you know. I think it's around, maybe around 4 tippers within here. And also you can see, guys, right there, there's a lot of sand right there. So when I get that $200, I think maybe by next week, if I finish building or renovating my borehole, I just keep pushing myself to buy sand. Also here we have sand, man, you know. And I will see, guys, I will see, you see. So it tells you the ground block up, you can see, so the road can't pass here. So they use alternative way. On other side there's a road that I'm telling you, it's going to other side, you know. So I think, guys, I've already shown you. You can see gully erosion here. So maybe they can construct by putting the gabion, you know, within here. Alright, guys, so we shall meet on the next videos back home, guys. Wow, so I'm heading home right now, guys. No, here it's Hispania boys, and also here is St. Angela. This is a girls' school, and also this is a boys' school here. Right, that's how I go back home, you know. So during Sabu County, during sport day, they are meeting within here. You wanna see, guys, that's Bonnia Boys secondary school. On the other side there's a church, my Roma Catholic church. Let's go. That's my Roma Catholic church. Alright guys, so let's do this. Well guys, this is the toy for my sister right here. Actually, you know, today's on Saturday, and last night she was playing with this toy and then left inside my house. You can see guys. So this is the courtesy of one of my subscriber. She bought my sisters a nice toy, you know. And the crazy thing is guys, we didn't find this in Migori. I went in Kisii, I bought them, and when I see this one, man, it's remind me the journey from here up to Kisii, you know. And also it has some sound guys. You can hear, you press it here. Oh my god, where? You heard? Anyway guys, let me keep it for my sister, so when she was around, she'll take it. Let me put it here because she was playing and then left it here, you know. So anyway guys, on today's videos I want to take you outside. There's some activity I want to do before I left home. So wow, it's all morning and I'm just outside guys, you know. So that's the maize corn. When it's dry up, we take it to the store, but right now it's on the process of drying, you know. So today's on Saturday. I just have my brother here and there, you know. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
Yeah.
What are you preparing, guys?
I'm preparing some coffee.
Yes, this coffee, all black cafe, you know. And there's firewood right here. So yesterday mama told me there's some thieves stolen the firewood. Yeah. So we need to cut them and then we keep it in the store.
Yeah.
Alright? So you just finished there. So I'm going outside to organize, you know. Between you and my cousin, you're supposed to be volunteer there, right? So at the same time we have the wheelbarrow. The good thing is we have the wheelbarrow. We want to use that one for making work easier. We cut it, we arrange on the wheelbarrow. Either we bring inside here or for the next house, you know. So wow, that's my brother, you know. Wow. You see, pushing the firewood. Yeah. So at the same time guys, I'm so hungry, you know. So I need to eat breakfast or to take my breakfast, and then as I leave home, that's the end of my story. Wow. So guys, I hope we are ready. And I see yesterday one of my subscribers said, hello baby, you just make some replacement of this place. Let me tell you one thing guys. One day if I found myself finishing my mama building the house, that's the next thing that I'm going to do here, you know. When I finish everything, this compound looks very nice. This last thing that I'm going to do is to put the concrete here from other side going outside. So inside here you'll see one day. So this one here, house will remain here as some memory. Wow. Yeah, although it's look like a scary place. Oh, Bruno, say hello. Hello. That's my dog. You know, it was outside, guys. Go and play there. Yeah. My dog knows the camera, guys. You know, relax. My dog knows the camera, guys. You know. It make me dirty, guys. Oh my god. Bruno, you just enjoy eating the bones. Like that. And it's tall, you know. Right guys, so I'm still waiting the engineer, so I don't know the exact time when they will be around here, because we signed the contract when they finish up. Actually, I pay them the first payment, you know. They install around I think 9 carabats, so I pay him some money for the 9 carabat. And then also, as I speak, when they come, I'll show you how they work so seriously, guys. You know, I can't wait, guys, to see my borehole get finished up, you know. So at the same time, guys, the work for today is to cut that firewood, the dry one up, and then we're gonna take it to the house, you know. And also, yeah, one of my subscribers also said, the same subscriber said, oh hello baby, you must to doing some replacement on the door where maybe there's mud. And also she told me, oh hello baby, you need to cover the borehole. So this one here, guys, I've already covered, you know. Hey, we have already covered this one. So oh, saya hakuna kazi. Go, you will fall inside. Go. So this one here, when we finish putting the calabat, you will see, guys. And then I get big loss, you know, demolishing this on top here. But I need, when they finish up, we do something here in circular, and then we put the lid. So if I want to wash the borehole, is to open the lid and then you wash them. So we just over here with my brother. Daddy tarati kigad. Hey. Yes, you cut it into pieces. Hey. Yes. You just cut it where the wheelbarrow it can fit. Small pieces. You see, people have really stolen the firewood. Yes, cut it. I think we should have 2 pangas. What do you think?
I don't know.
Yes. Mahakamaru. Chaibwa. Watakanga ncha kihomera nyumba.
Anambara bana bakora vara bahana bagutu.
Guys, also we need to have 2 pangas. Other people call it machete, so we can able to cut it doing quick and fast. And at the same time, we slash this our yard here because it's looking shagal bagal, you know. Daddy, ebanga kweli ntukanyori yen. Ebanga.
Kwani chibanga chito no tari.
Yeto ne here. Yeto ne here. Well, so we need to have 2 pangas. I'm asking my cousin. You go run a panga bare. Wow. Time bote bi were mahayo are. Bote ya kuture panga era. Eh. So I'm sending my cousin to go and bring the panga from our neighbor. Ama daddy, achongote. Yeah, I think Atam. I think, guys, I have the military machete. Oh, yeah. Takengo rachana. Omo tema ukyo gukona mwisho gukona.
Mtima standing kerere. Kugitumbe hayiga.
Ebange nkera.
To yarenge. Wagirusiro.
Ile katika
Madad. Kwa mwisho gukona.
Kubwa na nari kata. Siri nyinyi.
Wow. also at the same time let me give my sister to say hello to you guys. You know, I know my sister have some friends outside there, so I don't want to leave her behind.
I want to talk to you.
That is Mohoro.
Yeah.
Sister, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
Where is your sweater?
My sweater is my Danny, my Torah, my Kitty. I'm putting the something like kuni.
Talk to me. Telling my sister, you wanna be sitting aside. I'm gonna canoe.
Yeah, I'm putting my fire. This is my cooking like my wari, michele.
That's in the kitchen, Jude. So there is some other firewood here. You know, we are serious, guys. The manga no romo.
Kana na manyora ruiboli no.
Toramo. Yeah, there's some. Oh my God! I see my mason. Yeah. What are you doing?
Mungurai. Nandi ga.
Wacha na.
Yes am. Ungirigana.
Kunire panga jeshi.
Muyo he.
Ye panga yangu.
Muyo bono gora kenguru kutogora saraka.
Alright, guys. Chonsui. Guys, my engineer arrived. We want to put the calabat. So ina dani kisha kauka. Acha basi nikimbia bora nilete hizo waterproof. Kuna moja lakini hakuna yenye libaki.
Burai no kamanya hali nguni ni hali.
Kwa penya birongo hale ntamana ko yasinye birongo hale.
Kono mbito kumayoneta.
Guys, I need to rush back to Border Town buying some waterproof. Right. Guys, I need to ask my mason how much bags of cement that are needed, bro. Simiti zilibaki ngapi kule ndani? 5. Alright, 5. Okay, let me ask my mason. And also I need to go and buy the waterproof. You know, I'm working so hard, guys. What I need is what? Yeah. Alienda nayo.
Sasa utaenda ununue ile ya nini?
Na simiti ni ngapi? Sijui 5. Ninataka mifuko 10.
Waterproof sasa ndio hapo.
Acha nene nilete.
Na bila waterproof, leta tu waterproof.
Na hiyo kijiko.
Hiyo ndio itaanza kuanzia.
Nilete kijiko mpya mbomoe.
Hiyo ya
Yeah. Eh. Hiyo bado inaweza saidia. Hizo 5. Sawa. Hi guys, waterproof and spade. Kimbi unilete ufungo nimesahau. Kana nini ukenge so kichira kidogo eh?
Hebu niletee akso moja. Akso.
Kare kakembamba.
Ile dawa ya kumeza ile tembo. Akso.
Oh, sema action. Mimi nasikia akso.
Sio.
Haya ndani. Vidongo sawa. Okay. Yapon. Kwa marabali chukitsi.
Mbenya virongo sasa mtumori no mulishe mukanginde ngwa kumene.
Ba unihano mbokere.
Kwa nuwo mwana wana nuwo renge tata mukenjo hamere ngoke. Enda gamba to.
Okay. This video it's a mixture of the videos. Side to Okay guys, so right now my journey starts guys to Border Town. Yeah, I need to get water, man. So that bowl cost $400, you know. Wow. Let's go. Wow, it's early morning right now, and we're fully outside. So that being said, my team have already arrived. Who put the calabat? Every day, it's a learning process, guys. You know? It's day 2 of installation of the calabat. You know. Imagine, guys, I'm running here and there. That's a village shop. Let's move. Hey, little kid running with the suit. All right. That's how we move, man. In a good way. And guys, I'm shooting these videos on Saturday morning. I wish you happy Sabbath day. Get it? Wow. Happy Sabbath day in advance. Wow. Wow, I'm almost to meet the tarmac road. Another tarmac road there, so let me twist my, to my camera. So guys, here I was thinking first to go in Nyabohanse. I see whether I can find those things before I go to border town. I didn't have enough money, so I need to see one of my friends who have the hardware so we can make a deal, Keep moving, man. We're in the morning here. Super green, guys. That's super green. Right. Moving, man. East Africa. Construction site going. Wow. Wait. Great. So I'm heading this way. I was greeting Gaki and my hair, you know. So right now, guys, I'm in Nyabohanse, village to the world. Buying and selling of avocado. Kuna ile koreo ya nini ya mti. Kuna ile koreo ya mti.
Koreo?
Sila chuma iko wapi? Shilingi ngapi?
Ile ya mti. Zani 5 6.
Nadhani ni hiyo. Wanaenda kuiharibu. Wanaenda kuiharibu, imagine.
Wanaenda kuharibu. Mbona haribu? Waweke nyingine. Watu wa mtoni.
Sijui wataikata.
Watu wa mtoni ama watu wa choo.
Watu wa nani kisima.
Kisima. Kisima tunaje kwa mtoni kwa kisima. Tungetumia kwa yenye imeisha.
Haiko. So I need this, guys. That's one I know. Guys, I'm back home with a spade and also waterproof, guys. Ndio.
Wewe ni dumu bwana. Nikiona unafanya namna hii, mimi nataka
nani wa action ni wewe? Wow, guys. So right now I'm just heading to Bohanse to buy some mandazi for my friends. Harvest maize there. Wow. So guys, I'm gonna make sure my mason and engineer eats good and gets energy so they can able to do work, guys, you know, here and there. That's in Swahili we call mandazi, but other people known as snack. So I'm just heading this way, going straight. I see, guys. What do you think? Should I buy some banana? What do you think, guys? Guys, I reach here. What do you think? Should I buy some banana or mandazi? Because when I buy mandazi, they can take two. you know. Well, let's go. There's school right here. If I decide it's mandazi, let's be mandazi, guys, you know. I'll say, guys, you know, but I think if I bought the banana for $1, it will be enough, you know. Yeah, so I'm already back behind, guys, you know, back to the streets. That's how your Bonanza looks like. Wow. Let's go and see, guys, where I can get mandazi, you know, for my mason. Ooh. 10. I didn't get it, man, you know. So I decide let me see, guys, the Beneza Hotel, whether I can get or not. If I miss out, I'll buy banana. Guys, I didn't find mandazi, so let me see the banana here. Amamara. Pa. Nene den, you welcome. They don't answer it. Nene den quick. Huh?
320.
Tiambe more Antonio change hand.
Yes, hello
say
guys.
Hello. Yehembe uko sawa?
Yehembe kana ni nani?
Onuguri no kukongo eh. Ah. Koroba kama. Some like try to look for something oh. Matiko, umeleta zingine? Mahoro. Sawa. Guys, there's no mandazi here. Running out of control. Ah. Yeah. Okay. Alright, guys. So right now I didn't get mandazi or snacks, so I tried to buy banana. It's a lot for 3 mason, guys. You know, everyone take one. You know, I think they're around 4. Yeah, 111. Well guys, so right now I'm heading home, and in case you're new guys, please subscribe, comment, share. That's the best you can support Hello Babe Official. So right now it's day 2 fixing the calabat on my borehole. So I need to get to water. So the moment I start construction, like I forget the issue of buying water every day, guys. So let's go, guys. Let's go. So actually I was coming from other side, that route, heading this way, go back home, you know. So today the weather is so calm. Wow. So guys, we shall meet back home, guys. Guys, that's my tea, and also this is my mandazi here. Okay, take this one, sister.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. So I gave my sister some mandazi. So this one here, Mama bought very in the morning. So I went to Nyabohan's, but I didn't get it. So I need to eat my breakfast and then check my work outside. Very nice. Alright guys, the work is continuing right now, so we try to push this muram to this side. Basi siku hizi tuonekana Marekani. Utakuja nitakuonesha.
Yaani hata saa hii niko na uji naona. Baada ya dipi hapo.
Bado nitakiweka jioni. Mtandaoni. Iga? Mbaga mbiri ga chicken wafu chihome. Hayo mnachire mugoroba. That's my mama, guys.
Yaonekana hata mtandaoni bwana. Wewe jamaa. Sura yake ni mbaya.
Sasa mimi nakukaa mtandaoni. Mtu asikutisha ameenda Amerika. Wewe mwambie uenda na hewa.
Kumbe sisi America tu. Wewe jamaa alikuwa anasema alifaa aende America wewe.
Yeah guys, I'm telling them people watch from abroad, from America, UK, Jamaica, all over the world. Kila sehemu utatazama.
Bwana sasa wewe. Nataka niweke huko.
At the same time guys, we try to remove the sand from down. You see right here, until we reach some feet. So we try to fix calabat. So today it's day 2, guys. Day 2. At the same time, guys, I'm so tired like a goat, but I'm trying to push myself to see whether I can finish these issues. Yeah, nilienda kuoneshana jana. Watu wasema funike hiyo kisima, watoto watanguka ndani.
Wapi?
Si hapo. And also guys, we have avocado here. Hiki kitu mzee si ngumu hivyo tu.
Ni hivyo tu. Nitaenda huko.
Wapi? Marekani.
Yaani kama piki yangu inafika huko.
Lazima uende.
Alright guys. I must be very careful guys here. There's some calabats down there. Hey. See guys. Vipi kuna dalili?
Inaanza kuonekana.
Maji.
Naona mtanga hii inakuwa ya matope.
Oh. There's somebody. Leo naweza ingia hapo ndani. Nionyeshe karabati vile ziko. Lakini sitafika ndani kabisa. Hapa juu hapa. Yes, it's deep. Right. And also these are waterproof. Kwani hizi vitu ziko tofauti? Ona hii na hii.
Hata kala za.
This is YPG na hii ni building company. Sasa gani ndo strong hapa? Hii. Hii nzuri kabisa. Hii. Yo Johnny nilinunua sirai. Afu hii ni nyingi. Yes. Okay. Hizo nondo zitarudi, si ndio? Ama tunanunua ingine?
Hizo nondo na zitarudi. Hata hizi kidogo. Wewe unalala hapo.
Digestion ina take place.
Uji imeshaingia kwa.
Unajua nitalala hapo. Nilienda kesho.
Nilienda kutengeneza soda.
Right guys, we shall meet on the next series. So guys, finally my engineer want to go deeply. Mtu mwenye ana pressure hizi ingia humu. Mtu mwenye ana pressure hizi ingia humu anaweza kufa. Mzee anapiga mahesabu.
Umeona maji? Maji yamo.
Kuonekana kidogo. Guys, my mama she was asking me about what.
Kuna maji.
Aba tuko haki kwa katili goro.
Ayo sasa kama futi mbili chitamile goro.
Futi mbili. Usinjumene tena kilicha kutuka patora.
Mama chiwa.
Yeah guys, that's my mama.
Ayo sasa tibara kaenderi kutuka.
Nasamba atore hayo bategere hayo. Temanga mba icho bachi kikari icho Jumatatu paka ruhusi.
Usichumaini. Tokumanga gara kawansi.
Funu mesema Jumatatu mnatoa. Ikae kesho.
Ichinsiria kusikira nacho.
Sasa hanse hara karabati kata. Something mama. Down there there's no calabat, so that rope it's a support. Bad.
Imeanza kuonekana ikitolewa hapo karibu 5
Mzee predator. Wewe una hema. Hey guys, I'm just sitting here waiting. Atapewa taa iko hapa.
Leta taa.
Tarusike. Sasa simba kufika chini ndio kupatia taa. So they need some small torch right there. Ni venye ulikuwa kwa mwangaza. Umefika kwa mambo yamebadilika.
Tumia hiyo nini?
There's some spade. See right here. Afire kore ya chumi na kuwaga nzito kuliko hii. Alright guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's videos. You know. Wow. Guys, right now we try to remove the is calabat ama nini, metal calabat. Let me show you guys. I'm not faking things, guys. One-on-one live. You wait, guys. You'll see from down. See? That way. Oh.
Bango biwicho jamba nini? Nika kichweni ni pasta.
Hii ni shape. Ndio sana tu naweka kwa simu.
No, nataka unaweka kwa simu.
Ugola huyo gichionget.
Right guys, let me show you. Alright guys, so we are taking the balance from this side here. Yes, I think here, I think this one will finish up. So this is the maize corn for my mama. So let me say guys, hello to my great grandma. It's been long. It's been long. It's been long, guys. We need this one for preventing lights to the borehole. Let me say hello to my grandma. Okay. Alright. Guys, that's my grandma right now here, and I'm asking her how she was doing. You know, right now she told me she was doing good. You know, these are paper. Okay, guys, I'm telling her let me go because I have some people at my construction site. Aye. Let's go. Say hello. You good? Alright. But I supposed to show you where the guy moving the balance, but unfortunately my memory card was being full, so I decide let's do this. Yeah. Hey. That's your son. Hello baby of fish. No. That's my baby right here, waiting me. Sasa lete uende wa charge. Uko na moto.
Mara mgine?
Iko full.
Iko nne.
Itasuku.
Toa hiyo. Alafu hiyo taa ungetupatia, lakini haja tu utatupea tu kishataka.
Wanaenda kucharge sijui simu.
Waja kidogo nawapatia. Nawapatia tu saa hii.
Aya.
Msiwe na haraka.
Hata sisi tunakupatia tu saa hii. Nikate
So
kama
guys, this is the calabat metallic, you know. So they arrange down like this. I think like this. You see? And one calabat takes 3. Like that. And then like that. Look like circle, and then put the concrete within here. Wow. Okay. Alright guys, we wanna take this maize corn to the posho mill. It's too much. And my brother. Yeah. So we wanna make sure that the mason have something to eat. Okay, say hello. Say hello. Because we're making noise. Say hello. Right? So, okay guys, it's time to go. Half time.
After Monday.
Moko have. We take this the portion meal, guys, and then we get flour for making ugali, white ugali. All right, so it's time to go with my baby. It's so hot. Right, guys. Okay, guys, we are heading right now here, and then go to Nyabuhansi, taking this to the portion mill. Right, hold like this. Yes, like that. Right, let's go. Up to Nyabuhansi. Best time to go and grinding the maize from the portion. You know what I mean? Okay, the water side na yan pare. Balance was good. Okay. So, me and my brother heading to the plants. I'm my camera. Show them where we are passing. Show them. You see water, guys? It's crazy. Like this. Yes, do like this. Right? Okay, hold. Yeah. As long as you see me clear, guys, there's no problem. My camera, bring it here. Wow. So guys, I'm struggling with my brother here, holding the camera. You know, we're heading this way with my baby. You know, we have poor roads here. Totally poor roads. Okay, the video continues to the end. Oh, we're gonna move. Where? I see some students going back to school. Wow, a nice gate right here. Imagine guys, all the way from my home to be here taking the maize they portion me. The cheapest rental house in Nyabohanse, that one there. You know, and it's good, maybe one or the other, they can run to the cheapest rental house which they can afford, you know. Wow, they are controlling. Yeah, controlling, guys. The portion me right now here, and it's electronic portion me. So first thing we do like this to remove the shaft. See down here, that shaft. See? Okay, you do it. Let me see. Wewe unasiaga tu. Kuna stima? Fresh. Kama iko. Tutaambia mtoto tusiagie. Stima iko. Tutakupa pesa. Sawa? Sasa tutaambia mtu asiage tu wape pesa. Gorogoro ni shingapi? Tatu. Yeah, I'm asking the kid. So because her mama, she's not around, so I'll turn on and then, you know, doing everything. Go back. Tapangu sikiroti. Go back home. Yeah, do like this, my brother. You know? Yeah, when you remove the shaft, man, ugali look like pure white. Okay. You do like this as you see. And it's so hot because we dry them to the sun. Yeah. You remove things like this. Okay. Yeah. Kamba rokinda se.
Uitensile mkungu yarata uyikorele ko muntu ora tension akhe mdeni yakho kana
Give our mama flour for cooking, okay? You just run and you go to school. Okay guys, tumechunga. Alright guys, so I'm going to check the work that have been done on other side, guys. You know, every day, like, it's to construct. When I finish this one happened. When I finish this, that one happened, man. But I can't complain, man. That's the situation that every human you must pass, you know. Alright guys, I'm heading this way at petrol station. I want to put the gas and then move around, you know. Nice Mercedes Benz. Guys, see that house? Hey, it's well settled. Yeah. Wow, guys, I'm so grateful. See that? Let's move. Hey. Tricky situation, guys. That's a KK. Where? Right, I'm heading this way. You know, putting the gas on V power share here. So I want to put the gas fresh. Yeah. So the roads here, you wanna get out of the map. Guys, I'm tired. Hey. Even I'm feeling breathing, guys. Where? You mafuta. Yeah. Lifti gani? Mekea mia bana.
Tunataka kutoka kwangu.
This for $1.
Receipt naandika aje kwa.
We dogo. Lazima ulete pesa.
Kwa receipt nakuwa nimechoma kila kitu. Hiyo ni ya TZ.
Wow guys, so this is border town. At the back I got my friend right there.
How are you, my guy?
You good?
I'm good.
Yeah.
This is my friend. This brother.
Introduce yourself. Right. That's a Muslim, guys. He's one of my friends. If you're a Muslim, please comment on the comment section, you know. Wagwan. This border town for you. Border town. Oh, you see that Scania? Woo! Hey, Mercedes Benz, man. What? Go out. Yeah?
Thank you, my friend. Wala isi.
Sasa kwa nyumbani wapi?
Nenda kwa kula kwa yangu.
Kwanza hapo.
Nirudi hivi na mguu.
Sawa. Alright, let's move, man. Quick and fast. Whoa. Wow. We're gonna do quick and fast, man. You know. Hey. Let's go. This border town. Wow. Border town. I see this tall building here. Whoa. So tall right there. People are driving here crazy. I see tourist car right here. That one there. I miss this vibe, man. So today's on Saturday. People are fully outside, you know, like crazy, man. Whoa. Don't know where I'm heading to. Let's go. That's Club Canai. Fucking shit. What is happening here? That's Boratan, how it looks like, you know. On a market today, guys, so I feel like to take you around as we explore together, you know. Wow. See, guys. Wow. Yeah, nice dress, clothes, you know, everything here is available, man. I'm heading this way to explore. Construction material take place within here. Boom. Tall building here, you know. Business everywhere, man, especially business of buying maize and selling. Go down here. This Temple Lodge here. That's Temple Lodge, guys. No, it's a room accommodation for maybe let me say 20 USD per night. Nice gates, guys. You can start from there. Parallel building. You can see us from other side. You know, I'm in at the back of border town, man. So it tells you here people are building. This sound lodge. Also we have temple lodge. That one here. Palm Lodge right here, and also that's Goshen School Academy. Hey man, look at that tall building, man. Perimeter wall. This is the side of border town. That's Greenland Dove Hotel here. You know, blocks, man. Hey, it's make work easier. I see a nice villa. You see here? That's a nice villa, man. You know, that one there. Wow. This is a PhD school here. It's an institution. You see, guys. Also, these border points within here. Right. Alright guys, I think I'll end my videos. So they're still moving that metallic stuff, so maybe you get on tomorrow's videos how they mix concrete. I'll show you guys, but I'll never left you behind, so I'll do it. But I want to end this video by saying thank you everybody. My God bless you for those people who are supporting me, and also guys, by supporting me, at least I make something which I see. So there's one roll for the sand, which is bad. And when I was on the other side of Sibania, I see a lot of sand which are good. So I supposed to buy maybe 3 tippers or 2 tippers. You know, when I get $200 this week, I'll buy that sand. You can see even the mason, they left this group, they use that group. You know, I don't know guys, I don't know. Me, what I see, it's sand, and I don't know whether it's bad or good. You know, I don't want to complain. So guys, we shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow guys. Bye.